Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to add some spring touches to my home. I stopped by Trader Joe's and picked up some fresh flowers. I like getting my flowers from Trader Joe's because honestly, they are affordable and they're just really nice. They're usually fresh and they have a great selection of flowers. So I got this vase from West Elm. This is actually a favorite of my followers on Instagram. They always ask me where I get it from. But sometimes all you need to do is just trim your stems and mix it up a little bit and just allow the flowers to fall effortlessly and naturally. Just don't overthink it. Just do whatever you want to do. So this particular arrangement is going to be for my coffee table, and I think it just adds a beautiful addition to the living room. Just kind of makes your home feel alive, wakens everything up. So during the winter season, I tend to keep this counter a little bit dark, just a lot of black decor. But with spring, I want to add some pops of color and of course some fresh flowers as well. So I'm going to switch this counter up a little bit and give it some life. The short stems that I ended up cutting from the vase on the coffee table, I took some of those and just added them to a tiny little vase on my books. And I got this cute little flower frame from Target. I'm going to add some florals to this little section here as well. I bought a small bouquet of flowers from Trader Joe's and I added that to this center part of the counter. And now let's decorate breakfast nook area. I got some items from Over and Back, placemats, wine glasses, utensils, and napkins. This is my first time actually setting this table. I never really thought to do it, but I'm really loving the pops of pink that I'm going to add here and just some color to this little area. And this is the final look. I think it looks so feminine and just pretty and light. It's not too much. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Have you started decorating for spring? Do you decorate for spring? And thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys hopefully in the next video.